Alright, it's finally done. This is my paper mache Rat Fink I've been working on for on and off 2.5 months. I wanted to show him off on this channel of mine. Kind of show what worked well. Oop, there he goes already. What worked well, what I would maybe improve. And at the end, if you're curious, I have some footage. It's not great footage, but some footage of how I made him, kind of the process and the pieces. He's very sturdy. I use joint compound for his belly and most of his limbs. And maybe start with the bad. The fingers aren't great. A little sloppy and kind of gross. I suppose that's the point of Rat Fink. Got a nice side profile. These are doll eyes. I originally painted the eyes on, but they weren't looking as good. They weren't popping like these. You want them popping out of his skull. So doll eyes just kind of screwed in. This is cardboard. You can see the lines of it. I gave him a nice glossy overcoat as well. The body started off as a balloon. Maybe you can kind of see the shape. Layers and layers and layers of paper mache to get the balloon. And then all the limbs are tin foil and newspaper, tape, paper mache. His toenails are just hot glue dabbed right on. You take some wax paper to kind of press it in and get it to stay, and then just kind of that neon green paint. I think that stands out well. This was, honestly, the lettering was the hardest part. It took me 2 or 3 tries to kind of get it nice and centered the way I want it. With the straight letters and the periods and everything. Let's see what else. He stands about, I don't know, what's that, maybe 2 feet tall. One of my bigger creations as of lately. And really, I didn't grow up knowing who Rat Fink was, but I've been attending a lot of craft fairs and flea markets, and you'll see him and his hot rod kind of everywhere, and he's so expensive. Like, I wanted to buy a little, 6-inch figure of him. It was like 40 bucks. So I said, I'll make my own. And here he is out of paper mache. I suppose if there's real demand, I could make another one and be more thorough about my recording. But right now he kind of hangs out in my garage. He watches me as I pull in every day with those loving eyes. Love it. I am proud of this one. I am. I spent a lot of time on it. The colors just pop. Oh, that's the other thing with the paint. I spray painted him all black when the time came, and then just like a messy, sloppy, sloshy green and neon, which is dry painting with just cheap paint brushes and paper towel to wipe it down. Maybe the last thing, and then I'll wrap this video up with some footage I have. The reason he can stand is because of his tail. He's got a nice wide base on the tail there, so then he kind of just wobbles on his feet. So, alright, that's my Rat Fink. Let me know what you guys think. He is not for sale as of now. Enjoy the footage.